Hello, this is Lily from Wolf. Today I would like to introduce our JX45H new model. This is one 2.5 loading capacity backhoe loader. You can see this is the 6-in-1 bucket. You can also change this bucket to the standard bucket or the 4-in-1 bucket. Okay, so you can see this cylinder is to control the bucket, the other attachment, and you can see this cylinder is used to control the boom, the arm, the lifting arm, and this backhoe loader is equipped with 4 equal size tires. You can see it's the 16.9-28 tires, the 4 same size. Okay, so this is the hydraulic oil tank, and the other side is the diesel oil tank. Okay, and this cabin is the ropes and forbes cabin. Okay, let's see the back side. The back side of is the digging part of this backhoe loader. You can see the arm. You can see the arm is very thick and strong. It's very similar to the JCB backhoe loader. And also, this is the optional telescopic boom. Okay, so this is the standard digging bucket, and this is for the option quick hitch. You can use this quick hitch to change the other attachments very easily if you want to change the bigger one or the narrow one. Also, this hydraulic lines will be for the hammer or auger. This is also the standard configuration of this backhoe loader. And you can see this part. This is the H leg of this backhoe loader, and also if you like, you can choose the A leg as well. The H leg will be equipped with the side shift, hydraulic side shift. Then the digging arm will move the left to the right. And this cylinder is for the swing boom, and this will be for the hydraulic shift function.